Hello and welcome to Game Help Reviews video. It's just a short guide telling you in Microsoft products how to create your own keyboard shortcuts. It is a bit of a problem when you're doing recursive actions and there isn't especially in older versions where there isn't a shortcut key assigned. For example, whenever I'm doing a report, I always need to put references at the end. So to do that, to reference it in the paper in squared brackets, I'll do something like that. Now, to do it properly in the paper, I'd actually have that in superscript. So what I'd normally do is Control and D for font options, and have to click on superscript and OK. But for instance, the report I finished off yesterday had 67 references in. I think it was a pretty big report. So to do that over and over and over, it just gets so tiresome. So best way to do it: assign a keyboard shortcut. So pretty easy. In 2007 versions, there's of Microsoft Office, there's a little kind of circle in the left-hand corner with a Microsoft symbol in it. In 2010 version, I mean, I thought that was really good, but they decided to put the file back, a file tab, because after everyone got used to XP and the previous versions, when they got rid of that, everyone panicked and had no idea how to use it. Right, so go into the file tab, right here, you go into options, you get the word options thing come up. Right, go down, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options down, and Customise Ribbon. And then at the bottom you see, just where my cursor is, keyboard shortcuts. So click on Customise. Now you've got all of your tabs down here, and including tabs you don't normally see that you have to assign developer tabs. I mean, if you're watching this, you ain't going to need a developer tab. And for my examples, to change something to superscript, and my other one that I also always use is when I'm proofreading work, I'd like to use the highlighter, but I don't want to have to constantly be using the little kind of pen. So I assign one for that. They're both in Home tab. So if I wanted, I think for highlight it's color checker or something like that. But let's look for superscript. SSSS. Had it there. Superscript. So you can see I've already assigned for some reason 2 keys. But I always normally do right next to the Z button. You've got the backslash. So you click on the press new shortcut key. Control backslash and whatever key. Say I wanted to do Control backslash Z, but backslash twice, I don't know, or I wanted to do Control and S and F, whatever. But obviously choose one that isn't already used. So please don't do Control Z, Control X, Control C, Control V for bold, I for italic, E for underline. Just try and make sure it's one that isn't already used, or if it is already used, one that you don't use regularly. So Control and backslash, assign, so that should all be working, and assign, so close, okay, and you highlight what you want to put in superscript, Control, backslash, superscript, again, out, in, out, in, out, I'll just show you the highlighting one I do, so I'll highlight that. My highlighting is Control and then 0, but 0 on the right hand side of the kind of the right numeric keypad one, and Control Z to come out. That is how you create keyboard shortcuts in the newer versions of Word. Thank you very much. This is Game Help Review. Please, any video, guide requests or game review requests, product review requests. I'm a techie boy. I'm a software engineer, so please ask me anything that I could help you with. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. This has been Game Help Review, and thank you very much.